Hey kids, it's time to record a video on the new phone. So it's about 9 o'clock at night, December 7th or 8th, I can't remember. But whatever it is, it's about 75 degrees outside. We have like 4 or 5 tornado warnings surrounding us. We're getting hit with a bunch of different pop-up storms, lots of different activity in the area, and so I figured, what's not a better time to just it's super humid outside, as you can see. Literally just like wet humid. And I figured, what's a better time to pull out the old phone and record a video on some rusty piece of junk that's been sitting in your garage for a while. And yes. Turn off the stupid, before YouTube rapes me for copyright. They removed the dislike button, so you can't not like my video, because we can't have freedom of speech in this country anymore. Anyways, today's topic of harassment is this Curtis Mathis Rusto Crusto set. I don't know why there's steel wool sitting on top of it. I guess that's like good luck or something. I bought this with a friend. We cleared out a TV shop about 4 hours north, and this was there, and I don't know why. Oh, I do know why I bought it. The CRT tested really good. But I don't know why I didn't just rip it out there, because this thing is roached. First of all, it's a Curtis Mathis, so I don't think you can get away that easy. Yeah, tomorrow the low was supposed to get to 29. The low today was like 60. Anyways. Is it this side? Yeah, it's this side. This thing has got like water damage to the max. Figured I'd do. Have I said enough? It's just kind of one of those TVs that you buy and then you realize that it's an absolute piece of garbage. And you're like, well, shoot, should I fix it? Do I want to spend the time and take the CRT out, or am I really that lazy? In this case, I'm really that lazy. I don't know why I do know why our schematic's kind of drooping there. It's because it's so damn humid out. But, anyways, it had 2 tubes that were garbage. I need to find a 6GU7. I stuck a 6FQ7 in there. Oh, that is a GU7. It's the other tube, isn't it? Yeah. Let's swap these back around. Okay, so this had 2 bulbs, 2 vacuum bulbs, 2 vacuum filled pressure tubes that were bad right off the bat. You piece of absolute swine. Oh, I see. It pulled the pin out. Yeah. That's great. So anyways, one of which was a 6GU7, which I still have in here. And the other one was the 6J6 horizontal output, which the only one I could find was brand new, so it exceeds the value of the whole TV. There you go. Nice and white cap flavored. So I need to find a 6GU7 because 6FQ7 I believe does not work. But here's the inside of one. This just looks like a 6FQ7, but apparently it's not. Don't know why. Why didn't they just make them universal? But yeah, this thing is like really crusty. And I'm pretty sure the humidity doesn't help. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I turned it on and the flyback started bubbling too. So I think the flyback's probably bad, or somebody's got the high voltage just cranked all the way up, which would explain why the raster is so bright. So yeah, I've had this thing on before. The jug in this thing is like brand new. It's a rebuild, grade A, so it's a rebuild with not too many hours on it. But it's got some, because it's got some dusty dusters on it. But I believe this is a CTC 17 clone. I could be wrong. It could be a 24 clone. I don't know. It kind of looks like a 16 clone. Or not 16, but a 17. Because, see that? 21 FBP22. It can use a roundy in the chassis. So, I don't know. Let me find a 6GU7. Does a 6CM7 work? I don't know. Let's find out. Only thing I can find. Sure. I'll have to go on my new old stock stuff and dig one out of the pile. But I can't believe I don't have any of these. So, oh, let's get power cord and juice it. Yay. It's got instant on too. I think. I don't know, it did. Yeah, it does. There it is. Instant on, instant bake. Instant ruin my CRT. Oh, does it have it? Hell yeah, it does. Here comes the rain. Oh, that's loud. Is this even lighting up? Probably not. I didn't hear the horizontal come up. Yeah. What's going on here? Why ain't we got no high voltage? Got an arc? Oh, crap. Here's our answer. Let's throw the generator on it. Here comes the rain, everybody. Ow. Just lay that right there. What is that? 7? Pardon my garbage connection. 4. Absolutely jack squat. Let's get a proper connection. Pardon my workbench, this thing is taking it over right now. It's a sort of color. This is a real crappy video. I know, but people are hungry for content right now, so figured I'd give them some. Yes, yes, tuner. Have fun. Let us unite the two items. Alright, that's on 4. We're on 4. Is that color? Tint. I can't get vertical hold unstuck. The rain is here, everybody. That vertical control is so stuck. It's like still rolling too. Turning way too slow. Use my other hand. Alright, it's pretty good. It's still running. Alright. Yes, I did break the knob. No, I don't care. Let me play with this for a minute. Okay. I think there's colors there? I don't know. I don't think there is. Or if there is, it's garbage. I don't know, maybe. Maybe there's something that resembles color there. Hey, I know what that is. That's the color oscillator. Maybe there is color. Contrast, tone. Oh, wait. No, we aren't gonna get any color. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Whoops. It's getting hot. So it's got plate voltage. And the color oscillator is running. I see it. Boy, this video is just off the rails. We got bad filters too. What is the bias on? Like 1,000? Oh man, this chassis is crusty. Doesn't seem to change anything. Sounds like looks like we got a partial vertical failure too. Where's our vertical output? Somewhere where I'm not gonna stick my hand. Maybe, hold on. It's a horizontal oscillator. Oh, it's so close to the yoke. I don't want to do that. See if that's just like a dirty socket. Also, watch this. Have fun, everybody. Nope. That's probably an open control then. Crap. I want to see the instant picture. Is that cool? As you can see, our tube filaments are still lit because of the instant picture that this device so graciously gives the consumer. I don't know what the heck that was. But boy, does it take forever to warm up. Holy crap. Wow. See, the picture actually got better too. I don't know, it's got like some garbage filtering too. Wow, that filter's bad. Brightness. Yeah. Got a little high voltage problem there. Probably our burning flyback. Let's do bars again. This is supposed to be raster. Yeah, our high voltage is dying as our flyback burns. Can't hear it. Can't hear it burning this time, huh? Maybe it's our focus. Back that out a little bit. Oh boy. Yep. This set is baked. Like a toddler in a hot car. Anyways, thanks for watching. More to come later.